how you can help out your kids establish their credit. So all you have to do is add them to your credit cards that you have, add them as an authorized user. And what you're gonna do though is only grab the credit cards that you have a good payment history on, only grab the credit cards that have a high spending limit and a low balance, and only grab credit cards that you had for a long period of time. If you add your children to those credit cards, that credit card history will go on their credit report, okay? Now, some credit card companies, they have the age criteria, so just talk to your credit card company. Maybe your child might be too young, but as soon as they meet that age criteria, add them on. And by doing so, those credit cards are going to be reporting on their credit report, which is going to give them immediate points. I hope this helps you out. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to